Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to demonstrate how we put up a new bathroom vanity fixture in a new house that we're working on, so stick around and we'll show you how to wire a new residential construction. So here we actually have a vanity light that we're going to stick up. It's a newer style LED, and that is going to go right above that mirror. So on this light fixture, it has a backing plate which we're going to mount, and we have to make sure we get that grounded. And then the light fixture itself has a ballast in it, or an LED driver for the LED light, and we just need to make sure it's simple white and black and a ground. So we're going to take the nuts out of the octagon box, back everything out. And we're going to mount this mounting plate here. So this mounting plate goes on horizontal, and we need to line the screw holes up to go through for the fixture itself. And you'll notice that there's an actual grounding screw right on the fixture. So the bond actually goes through, or the ground actually goes through onto the fixture bar, and then also gets attached onto the bare copper wire on the back of the light fixture. The reason we need to put this up first is to make sure that it's on there solid to hold the weight of this LED fixture, so it doesn't fall down and crack the mirror. That's important. We don't want that going on. This is quite common. We install these all the time. There's a variety of different fixtures that we get, that we install for our clients. This one, the client picked it up themselves. Okay, so our bracket is up. We'll show that up close. Our two screws are through into the octagon box, and then we're ready to pull our wire connection out through to get it ready to hook up. So on that, we have our black and our white, and we have our bare copper ground, which is going to get wrapped around that green screw. And this just makes sure that the bonding of the wire, or the grounding of the wire, is connected to the box and to the fixture bar. This is actually a step that's required by code. So in some situations in older homes, we don't have that bond wire, so it's just important to get the bond or the ground wire attached to the back of the box from the fixture itself. But where we're in a new application, it makes it quite a bit easier. So on this particular fixture, what is that little switch on the back? Oh, this has a selectable K level on the back of the fixture. Let's see if it'll focus in there. Camera's being a little snotty this morning. Come on. There we go. So on the bottom you can see those that selector, and then you can put it into whichever K level you want. So it can be 27K, 3000, 3500, 4000, 5000. The higher the K rating, the brighter white the light. The lower the K rating, the more yellowish orange or homey warm feeling that it's going to be. So we usually put these on, what have we been doing here, 4K? 4, yeah. So we're going to go with 4K on this light, and then we're going to go ahead and put it up. You think they would have waited to install the mirror before we put the light up. I'm going to put an extra set of hands on this one. My guy is wiring this just to be careful. Many hands make for light work. Just in case he happens to drop it while he's doing the mirror connections. So right now it's hard to tell, but he's doing the But the whites up, and he's doing the blacks up, and he's doing the grounds up, and all three will have marrettes on them, or wire nuts, whatever we want to call it. Boy, that fixture is heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I think the globe on this is going to get shined down. So he's going to have to flip that around 180 degrees. He's just making sure his connections are nice and tight. A couple good twists down there. Yep. And then he takes his linesman pliers and gives a couple good extra twists to make sure that the connections are actually tight, that they don't come apart. And then it's just a matter for him to cram everything in there, change it to 4K, and then he's going to go ahead and put it on. Yep, and flip it around. And then there's 4 mounting screws. The wire's out on this side there. Yeah, just pull her out. I'm going to shove that in for him. There we go. There, you're good on this side. So that's sitting tight against the wall.
Yep.
And then he's going to put his top screws in first. What do you need for a screwdriver? Phillips?
Phillips, yeah.
Nope, you don't have one there. Oh, you got one in here. There you go.
Thank you.
Switch that around for him. There we go. And then he'll get the top 2 screws in. Unfortunately, guys, we can't show you this light working because we have no power to the house yet. The utility department didn't actually hook up our service. So we're just getting things ready for when they do have power hooked up, that we can go ahead and make all the lights work. We're trying to save time, basically. Got the 2 top screws going in, and then he's going to finish up the 2 bottom screws, but basically the light fixture is in place now. You can see there on the wall. That's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how we install a bathroom light fixture or a vanity fixture. We should say as a disclaimer, never do your own electrical work. Always consult your own licensed electrician. So that's it for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.